But we are currently here at Lumix Meetup event. I'm just here dahil kay Rambi. Anyway, so bago naka-zoom pero her name is Jazz. Currently here at 2T Banh Mi along Fitzroy, and ito yung pinagkakainan namin ng mga ka-work ko sa, which is actually just 5 or 7 minute walk sa dati kong pinag-workan. And hindi pa nawawala ang aming pagka-Vietnamese. Char. Hindi pa nawawala ang Vietnamese spirit. So we ordered Vietnamese coffee. Kasi grabe talaga ang sarap ng sa Vietnam. So ngayon, itatry natin to. Okay? Okay man. Di siya masyadong roasted. Araw ka tong dati. Yung una kasi namin pinuntahan, medyo parang may tutong feels. Medyo merong sunog feels. Sunog taste. Pero ito parang mas medyo smooth. Okay, and ayun na naman tayo sa banh mi order natin. Crispy pork. Yan ang classic order ng aming oyayang. Waiting for our order. Vietnam hangover. Banh mi. Wala pa siyang sauce. Hindi pa tayo nakakaabot sa sauce. Nandito na kami sa tapat ng 2D Cafe. Still around Fitzroy. Actually, no, Gertrude Street, Fitzroy. And parang next to it is a park. And then, kami talaga dito ng coffee shop. We will go na sa mall. We will go to Chadste.
So yun na nga guys, papunta na kami ngayon sa Albert Park. Tapos may pipick upin tayong DJI Mini 3 Pro. Papalitan na natin yung DJI Mavic Mini natin kasi ano lang yun, 2.7K lang. Ito 4K 60. So pwede sa slow-mo, tapos mas maganda yung resolution. Tapos ang alam ko may lag file ata to, pero okay lang.
Alrighty. Okay.
Yeah, sorry. Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, sarado. Craving for ube. No. Purple yum. Sarap? Boy.
Ube?
Eh, yun. Sabi mo ano? Ako. Suwayan kita. So nice.
Red dapat.
Red.
Black rose.
Yan o.
Ako dun.
Yung tito. Okay, pang tita vibe na talaga. Naghanap na ng
Yup.
pang patulog. Ini, how about this? Sweetest shit. Sweetie o, tara, try natin. Danish Yara. Na lang.
No, this one. Amazing.
Baka yung mga shirts sa mga. Yan na lang. Cute yan. Meron ito yung parang caterpillar na shape. Caterpillar na ano. Pero ngayon parang lumiit na tapos iba na yung lasa nito. Parang ibang variant. But this one, oh my gosh, $6. I always had to buy dun sa malapit sa station ng ganito. And then $6, tapos parang onti lang siya. Pero ito, kururugon tulak. OMG, $12 pala. Pero okay na. Malaki naman. Magiling-giling ka pa kung ano.
Tartip. Think make
Ay, sige daw, ini mo mali. Sige daw. Christmas. Gingerbread. Ah, sweet things. Sige ba daw yan? Guys, I'm so tempted. And this one as well. Ah, noodle. And this. I need a massage gun. Okay guys, we finally got the T2 tea. T2 Sweet Dreams. Let's try for tonight after dinner. Ta-da! So what we were planning to buy is yung tea kettle or yung tea maker. I only have yung parang spoon tapos yung ilalagay siya sa cup and then it will just, you know, melt away. And also, binigyan din ako ni Kuya nitong T2 Sleep Type. So I was initially gonna get this one but then I asked if I can actually taste it but I wouldn't be able to try it in there. I have been meaning to get a coffee tumbler or coffee cup kasi nasira na yung working coffee cup ko. So this one, it's such a nice color. It's lilac. Apparently proof din ito. And ayun. This one is detachable and then, I mean removable. And then I had to change it with this color kasi it's very cute. Look, para siya yung scrubs ko from Feeks. And it's almost like very identical color. So I think I can pair it with that. So cute. Okay, and also pumunta pala kami sa park or parang yung lake ba sa lake around Williamstown. Such a very beautiful place. And like very good spot for sunset, but it was just really cold. It was 17 degrees and it's very like windy. So ayan, umuwi na kami. We only stayed there for like half an hour. So ayan, woo! Cute, 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 cute. See? So ano yun na kami ang dinner. I always love sour candies. Like I prefer sour than sweet. Cheers! Yum! I also bought some sandals from Maya. Sale. I only got this for $29 dahil.
Sales from $99, and then marked down to $50 if you remember. And then I also have a voucher of $10, so like $29. So the shipping fee is $9. So.
Ta-da! Cinderella. Favorite. Okay guys, so we are on our way to work party. Hatid ako ni Tita Ram. And, takeaway muna. From Macus. Said I show your earring. So this is the look. Made by yours truly. This is the outfit.
You're still going back here.
Oh, suka! Suka Sinamak. Thank you! Oh, Kuya Jobert! He's very fun. Okay. Kayo'y potato corner. Oh my God, guys. Filipino fiesta. Kato barbecue.
Okay, di ba?
And, yeah.
Sarap lang, tadi ang mga kabutan.
Iyo. Iyo, dinuguan. Saka, inihaw. Inihaw na mais. Thank you po. Maalala ka dasyan, Kevin. Thank you po. Or nag-pork sisig ka?
Dahil, dinuguan.
Tingnan mo kita dinuguan. Buli kiti, nag-burger pati ko sa bago. Tell us more about Philippine Labrador Community Center.
Serious place.
Seriously. Guys, naglapit-lapit namin dito tapos wala talaga parang pagdating namin sa bahay, nakakalimutan na namin i-search. Barbecue. Okay, mamaya maghalo-halo naman kami. Sulitin.
Bili na, real.
Garuhurulaan.
At yan na lang naman.
Day Risa. Iliyan mo, garo lang po.
Ano yun ba yan?
Garo lang. Red carpet. Kayo eh. Ayan, ika na yan. Thank you po.
Salamat pa. Tsaka taho po. Tak.
Partner, I'm just here.
Sinigop mang.
Listen. Alright, I'm handing this back to you.
In Visayas, is it?
So good.